Good morning, students. In our last class, we discussed about the transformation rules regarding degrees, right? In our previous class, we discussed about when the sentence contain so as or as is, and the sums when the sentence is started with no other. Okay? Today we will learn when when a sentence is started with very few. We know when we transform a positive, that means a positive degree to comparative degree in a sentence, that means positive degree to comparative degree, or if a statement is negative, we have to convert it into affirmative, and if it is an affirmative, we have to convert it into the negative, right? This rule will be same, remain same. Now today we will start another one, new rules. Okay, at first we will learn from positive to how we can convert into comparative and how we can convert into superlative. Let's take the example of a sentence. Very few kings were as great as Akbar. Okay. We have to know while we will transform this sentence. This one is in positive degree. This one is positive degree. Okay. Now we will convert into comparative and superlative form. And what are the rules are there? Okay. To convert into comparative form, to convert into superlative form, what are the rules are there? Second object, that means here it is an object, I will write it. We can consider it as second subject, first subject. This also we can remember, but here I will consider it as a subject and object. It will be very much easy for us. Okay, it will be very easy for us to remember it. Verb, the verb according to tense and number and person of the object, we have to write it here. Okay. Then comparative degree, here it is superlative degree. Sorry. Then plus most other, and the remaining part between very few and verb. Remaining part, very few to verb. The part between very few and verb will be placed after most other. Okay. Then here it will be one of the plus superlative degree plus the part between very few and verb. Okay. First rule is comparative, second one is superlative. Object or second subject you can call it. The verb will be placed according to that. Okay, and we have to maintain the tense of the sentence also in positive degree. Then comparative degree of the positive word, and then we have to write then most other, then very few, the part between very few and verb. The part between very few and verb, that means this first subject we have to write it here. Okay, let's try. That means Akbar This one is singular. The sentence is in past form, past tense. So it's a singular subject. So we have to write was here. Then we have to write great, greater, comparative form. Great, greater. Then we have to write then most other. The part between very few and where is kings. Akbar was greater than most other kings. Comparative. Now it is superlative form. Same. Akbar will remain. Verb will be remain same. And that one of the will come. One of the superlative degree, greater, greatest, greatest. This one. See here, second the subject, or we can call it object, verb. Verb will be placed according to that second subject or object. Okay, we have to maintain the tense of the given sentence, then comparative degree of the positive one, then most other, then the remaining part between very few and verb, whatever the part, whatever the. Okay, here it is only the kings. So Akbar was greater than most other kings. Same way, then superlative, second subject or object we can call it, then verb, we have to maintain the tense and number and person of that object, then one of the, then superlative degree, then the part between very few and all. That means verb. Akbar was one of the greatest kings. Okay, in those videos I already explained how we can transform a sentence, that means from positive to comparative, then comparative to superlative. Okay, all of you have to, I will provide you the around 20 or 25 examples. All of you have to try those examples and you have to send those answers to me, then I will check it. Okay, I had already explained. I think all of you understood whatever I have explained. If we learn, I think all of you can now convert a superlative degree to positive. Earlier we learned from positive to comparative. Okay, you can convert comparative to positive. We already learned positive to superlative. Then we can, if we know how to convert positive to comparative, okay, then also we can convert a comparative degree into positive degree. If we learn positive to superlative, then also we can convert the superlative sentences to positive. Right? These things all of you have to try at home. All the best, all of you.